Good afternoon, good afternoon. Oh, kamusta ka naman sa all cars experience mo? Dapat siya magtatanong sa akin, pero ako na nagtanong sa kanya. He's one of our top sellers sa all cars, no? He's a very masarap siyang kausap. Pag nag-chat kayo sa kanya, he'll really assist you. And why should you buy from all cars? Kami lang, ang pagmamayabang namin, we have a no mileage tampering guarantee. Trade-in partner kami ng mga dealers. So yung mga kotse yung nakikita nyo, trade-in yan para sa mga brand new na kotse. And best of all, we have sales associates like sir na talagang very professional, very courteous, very helpful. Sasagutin yung mga tanong nyo and when you come to the showroom, we'll take care of you even more. Tama ba?
Okay, tama, Sir Koda. Thank you very much, Sir Koda. Ito nga pala ang inyong trusted car salesman, Jason Mendoza. Kapag
That's
may kailangan kayo na mga sasakyan na pampamilya, pangtrabaho, pangnegosyo at pang-astig, dito lang tayo pumunta sa All Cars by Jason Mendoza.
That's right.
Thank you, Sir Koda.
My pleasure, Jason.
Thank you very much.
Happy selling and happy buying. Nandito lang kami para sa inyo. All cars, we're here to help. Have a nice day.
Thank you.